So obviously, when we are sourcing for candidates for a particular job, it's really hard to look at someone's profile on LinkedIn and go, oh yeah, you know, they work at X company, they must. It's really hard for us to just assume they have done something in their job, because normally if you see a profile on LinkedIn, it needs to say obviously where they've worked, how long they've been there for, their position, but also just a bullet point, a snapshot of what they have actually done. So genuinely what they've actually could put their name to, rather than just like a title. And being really vague about it. And again, yeah, like types of products, if it's pre or post approval regulatory they've done, you know, if they've led any major submissions, things like that. Just being very specific in terms of what they've done in their job, rather than just a title. Also, it's quite good to see if they've got recommendations, if they're a contractor, if they've worked for previous clients before and the hiring manager might have gone onto their profile and like recommended them basically. So I look for that as well. Yeah, and just, if they're a consultant, they might have their contact details on there, but most of the times we'll already have them on the system.